My name is Johanna Radechovsky. I'm a research associate at the research group of Media Studies. That's at the guidance of Professor Löffelholz at the IfMK, the Institute for Media and Communication Science. And I'm also a doctoral student. That means I'm doing my doctoral while I'm also doing research and teaching. So I concentrate on the research of journalism and mis- and disinformation, but I'm also interested in reception and effect studies, and I am trying to combine all these perspectives within my dissertation thesis. So not really superstitions, but I try my best to be very tidy and very organized with my data, because I realize if I want to start at any later point, I don't know, in a half a year or something, and try to analyze my data again, then I cannot find my way through this if I am not really tidy and organized and have my notes everywhere. So I recently finished a study. It was about the possible aspects and properties of recipients in terms of why we believe mis- and disinformation, or rather why we are or aren't able to recognize if a piece of information is unverified or true. And at the end, I was able to find out that there are in fact certain aspects in our demographic and social characteristics that can lead to us believing unverified information a bit more than other characteristics. So, for example, I don't want to spoil anything, but for example, our level of education or our dogmatism can lead to us believing some piece of information that is not verified, that in fact is like a rumor. And I finalized that study and handed it into a conference, and luckily, if I will be accepted, I will also publish this study. So the one thing I realized is that my research is very close to everyday life, and it somehow is relevant to everyone who is somehow involved in reading news and understanding news. So I think by understanding what leads us to believing in fake news, or rather on the other hand, recognizing if something is fake and not verified at all, this can potentially save us from believing fake news. So actually my research group is very keen in involving students by implementing certain aspects of bigger research projects within master modules. So it's always a very good idea to get enrolled in the master program of Media and Communication Science. So in fact, there's currently a very big research project going on in our research group that is also within a bigger structure of research partners. It's about the crisis communication during the COVID-19 pandemic. And we are already implementing some side aspect or some partial projects within master courses. So that's unfortunately already running, like the semester has started, but we are planning on, because this project will run for 3 years actually, so we are planning on also involving students from future master modules and always enable them and encourage them to help us with some aspects of those projects by making their research within these master modules. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, consider subscribing and giving a like. And if you want to see more from the IfMK, you'll find all the links for social media below.